Now what? Okay, so this is a to be continued episode from my first video of 2025, my game-changing method to decluttering, I think is what it was called. So in that episode, I use my unregrettable decluttering method to start my new year decluttering process. And this is just the method that I created because I have heard of other versions of like the reverse decluttering methods or reverse like cleansing methods. And so this is just sort of my method that I've created where it's a reverse decluttering method as well as a method that will make you not regret your decluttering choices. First step being starting with your loves. So instead of pulling what you don't want, you're pulling out what you absolutely love, like without even thinking about it. You just pull those out. The second step is pulling the leftovers and storing them away for a 2 to 4 week period at least. The third step that I speak to in that one is curating your wardrobe, because the idea is that within that 2 to 4 week process, you want to sort of test drive your new wardrobe without those leftover pieces. So you're basically test driving your wardrobe with just your loves. So just the pieces that you love the most, that you're super excited about, and kind of just seeing if you even think about any of those other pieces. So that brings us to where we are now. So the fourth step is reassessing the leftovers. I will say I did take out some pieces that I knew for sure that I was going to be getting rid of for different reasons. It really is about, again, gut instinct. So similar to when you're pulling your loves, you're sort of just going with like your first reaction, asking yourself, do I want to keep this? Yes or no? If I'm stuck on something, I will then go with asking the question of, do these go with my loves or elevate my loves? And if the answer is no, then it's time to let go. And it sort of just takes away that emotional attachment. I'll just go through a few of these for like as an example's sake. So I think we can take this opportunity to address a few concerns when it comes to the hard moments of letting things go. And one of the comments that I got in my first video, which I think is a great thing to address here, is, well, what if I love something, but I never wear it? We should be asking ourselves, is this something that I love? Is this something that I love wearing? Because obviously you can love something, but never wear it. So this is kind of an example. You know, I love a good blazer. And this one I absolutely love. It's a pinstripe like khaki blazer, and it's absolutely fabulous and chic, but I never wear it because ultimately I kind of have my go-to blazers already, and those are the ones I always grab for. Just makes this one a little bit obsolete, and I just never wear it. So it's such a nice blazer, I have to pass it on to somebody that is going to get good use out of it. Absolutely love this. Love, love, love. Oversized hoodie from Mousy Vintage. It is such amazing quality, and I absolutely love the silhouette, but I'm just not like a massive hoodie person. Like, I have some hoodies that I wear for like working out or if I'm like going to a bonfire or something, but on like a regular, I don't really wear hoodies. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the hood. I don't know. Maybe the hood annoys me. So, I mean, I have tried with this one. Like, I'm like, no, I'm not letting this go because it's such a nice sweatshirt, but they gifted that to me a while back, and that was a hard one. That's a hard one to let go. So this one I actually did think about in the last 4 weeks that my stuff has been stored away. I actually did think, okay, I want to bring back my navy pinstripe blazer. So you made the cut. This one's a no because they're too tight in the waistband, because I have too much like it. Same thing. A dress. I don't even know how this is managed to hold on as long as it did in my closet. Another like good example of something that you might love, but like this was gifted to me by Fabrique, but I did 2 dedicated videos for them, and each time they sent me a faux leather blazer. And although they are quite different, like they both have like different sort of silhouettes, this one's a bit more oversized and it is double-breasted, and it comes with like a belt. I'm not gonna lie, I'm obsessed with this. I love it. But they gave me just like kind of like a more straightforward, oversized faux leather blazer that is just more me, a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more minimalist. I don't need 2. So that's really what it comes down to. Not that I don't love this, and I debated hard, like tried to justify keeping both of them, but just love it. But I just never wear this color. Don't like how it looks on me. Just never wear it because of the color. This one I actually meant to keep. It's just like my favorite workout crop top in the summertime. So whoops, just don't like the silhouette. Never wear it. Love it, but never wear it. Was gifted and I wish it was my style, but it's like such high quality. Wise Made, definitely check out this brand. They are awesome. Never wear, for some reason I don't like the feeling on my skin. Have double of that. That was from Maternity Life. Another dress that I'm not sure how it made it this long, and just a shirt I never wear. Okay. Our next and final step of all of this, finalize your wardrobe. So once you have gone through all of your leftovers, all the discards, figured out your like official final discards, you're obviously going to get rid of those. Maybe it's donating to Goodwill or Salvation Army, or or a homeless shelter. There's so many different good places you can donate to. Maybe it's that you're going to sell some of your more luxury pieces. Maybe you're going to give away to friends or family, or maybe they're just so far gone, you're going to recycle them. I always highly suggest, if there's something that is just not wearable for a second life, try your best to find recycling for fabrics, for clothes. There are so many companies out there doing amazing things with recycled fabrics. But if you do have things that you pulled from those leftovers that you've decided to keep, you then have to add them back into your wardrobe. You have to then kind of decide, how are these fitting back into my wardrobe? That might even help to give you sort of like another filter through, because maybe you will like go to put it in your wardrobe or add it into your beautifully now curated wardrobe, and you're like, you know what, actually this doesn't fit. I don't want to disrupt my beautiful wardrobe. Okay, doke. Not bad, my friends. Okay, so I have managed to only keep this blazer, and that easily goes with my wardrobe, and this workout t-shirt. We're sticking to that color story. We're holding our wardrobe to a high standard. I walk blindfolded to your house. I've memorized your freckle count. When you sing, I like that sound. I can't explain it, I just love you. Man, I like the way you walk. All right. There we go. That is my newly simplified wardrobe, ready to take on 2025. You're so pretty when you're mad, and when you go I get so sad. All I do is think about you. I can't explain it, I just love you.